Welcome back, students. As we all know, because of the continuation of the lockdown, I think there is a need for us to continue on or to carry on with our online classes. And as far as I recall, we did already had a discussion like before the lockdown. We've already discussed on the circular flow of income, and we've had a complete discussion on that particular topic. And so for now, we will move on to another sub unit. Another subtopic relating to the measurement of calculating national income. But before we discuss on the various method relating to the measurement of calculating the national income, let us ask ourselves, or let us just recap ourselves on what is the meaning of this word national income. Here, national income can be simply defined as the money value of all goods and services produced in a country during a particular year. So it relates to all the total amount of goods, commodities, services coming, be it from the primary sector, the industrial sector, as well as the service sector. So taking them together, we get what is referred to as the national income. So now the question is, how can we measure this national income? Yes, in order to measure the national income, there are certain methods that are being suggested in order to calculate the national income. And the various methods that are being suggested, it is the value added or the product method, the income method, as well as the expenditure method. So students, let us pick up one by one. What is a value added or a product method? Here, yes, the value added or the product method is one of the common method of measuring the national income. And according to the value added method, it measures national income in terms of the value added by each producing enterprise in the economy during a particular period. Here, this value added method or the product method is constant as a difference between the value of output of an enterprise and the value of its intermediate consumption. Okay? Or in other words, how can we measure, how can we make use of the value added method in order to calculate the national income? We take into consideration the added value added to the product during the various stages of production. And yes, it is being calculated by taking the difference between the value of output and the value of its intermediate consumption. Now the question is, what is this value of output? Here, the value of output, it refers to the market value of all goods and services produced by a firm during a particular year.